Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to change viewport and render backgrounds in Blender. So let's go to Blender. First of all, I will delete this camera and I will delete this light. Okay, go to here, edit, preference, and then go to here, themes, go to here, 3D viewport, and select this one, theme space, and under theme space go to here, gradient colors. So here you can choose multiple, let's say single color or gradient or this one, and let's change this color to, let's say, this one. Okay, and I will close this. Also, let's say you want to change the render background. So for this, I'll go to world properties and I'll go to here color, and here I can change this to, let's say, this one. Okay, and here I can apply render settings as well. So you can use Eevee or cycles for the rendering, and this workbench is used for previewing the model, and it is the most simplified one. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.